I'm at Lego House in Billund, the home of the brick, and I'm going to go to one of the most unique restaurants in Europe, which is situated here. It's called Mini Chef. My description won't do it any justice, so I'll hand it over now to Tobias, who works for Mini Chef and Lego House, to explain how the concept works.
Okay, so this is a very restaurant because inside the kitchen you only have these small minifigures that cooks all the food. And these minifigures, they have never went to school before, so the only language that they speak is Lego language. You therefore have to use Lego bricks to tell them what you'd like to eat. So you all get your own bag of Lego bricks. You're all going to take that with you when you're done eating here. Inside of that bag, there are some different colors of bricks. For an adult menu, you have to choose one red, one black, one blue, and then one green brick. For a children's menu, instead of the black one, you have to choose the yellow brick. Once you've chosen what you'd like to eat, you can build your own figure. You can make that look however you'd like it to look. Then you just click your figure into the bottom of that tray right there and then put the tray into the screen. If everything is right on the screen, you press the green check mark that will pop up and then you put in the next order. Once all of your orders has been inside the screen, you can press on the green basket that will be at the bottom of the screen to send the order to the kitchen where small minifigures and start to cook all your food. Once your food is ready, the screen will show you a short video. Then just head up to the two robots up here, Robert and Roberta, to go collect your food. Okay?
So what drinks have we got? Oh, can Daddy have one of those? Two-board classic. Daddy wants a beer.
A Lego beer.
A Lego beer?
I want so.
I've got a Danish beer. This one that Daddy likes to drink.
Silly.
Yeah, I think I've added that, have I? Yeah.
Hey, will you do that? Look.
Oh, wow. You're getting everything in your meal. Is that right?
Sit down.
Just joking, yeah, monkey. You're gonna order everything.
Oh wow, it's different. Oh, you have to build it right now.
So a human, rather than a robot, has just bought our drinks. We've got strawberry lemonade, which is for you.
Me.
No. You've got strawberry drink. That one's for you. You might want to nick Mummy's straw. And then Daddy's gone for the hard stuff. Glass of Tuborg Classic.
I helped you do it for you.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Cheers.
Wait, do you need one of them? Yeah, you need one of them.
Which one's that one?
The organic beef and meatballs.
Okay. Meatballs, Mia.
I have a meatball.
Mia, do you want spaghetti?
Yes, please.
Yeah, long spaghetti.
No.
Okay, it's that one. That one needs to go on your board. Or do you want mashed potato?
Just the banana.
Okay, that's fine. And then would you like some vegetables? That one. Okay? Slide it in. Yeah, and give it a push. Do it now.
Here's the chef. He's saying hello.
Listen to him. Hello.
Oh. So switch the lights on in here now. The chef has jumped to the top of the machine. Oh, there's your order. Is that your bricks?
So she's having meatballs with spaghetti and vegetables. What's this?
And the yellow must be a surprise or a present.
Ooh.
That's cool, isn't it?
Is that right?
Is that what you ordered?
Spaghetti bolognese.
Oh. Order more food. Yes, please. So we've got meatballs.
With mashed potato, vegetables and mushrooms.
That looks good, doesn't it? Is that what you wanted?
Yes, please.
Your turn, Daddy.
Right, so I'm going to start by removing the plate out. What do I want? I would like the Scandinavian salmon, which is a single red brick. Stick that in there. And then I'm going to get the adults. Actually, I'm going to get the Balkan flatbread, which is that. And I'm going to go for the probably organic pasta, I think. gonna be quite a crazy mix of stuff. And then for the fresh stuff, kazir, which is a Turkish-inspired salad. So that is 2 green bricks. Right, so adults have to have 4 bricks. Got me 4 bricks, and then gonna slide it in now.
I want it.
So salmon, spaghetti, salad, and a flatbread. Let's go. Off it goes. So all our bricks has come to beef and veggie meatballs, fruity fruit, strong roots, organic pasta, kids surprise, beef and vegetable meatballs again. I ain't gonna read all this, but that is what we've built on our bricks, and that's what's come through. So we're gonna tap. Mia, do you wanna press it? Press that big green button at the bottom. Can you help? So the chef has now left the kitchen. Thank you, the mini chefs in the kitchen have received your order. Our order's been received by the little minifigures in the kitchen, and they're going to start making it, okay? Oh, look. Uh-oh. How about look? There's all the minifigure chefs. Oh, he's got his hair's on fire. This is upstairs above the robots. This is the kitchen making your dinner for you. Oh, he's just inspecting the bricks to make sure they're not Temu knockoffs and the real Lego bricks. They're cooking our food and they'll let us know when it's ready. Should we order some dips?
Yep.
What dips would
like?
you? Oh,
Ooh, Mia.
what dips do you like? Mia loves ketchup, don't you? More than one. Is that enough dips? Order. Human will bring our dips.
You like the black?
And now I guess we just sit and wait to see what happens. So from a price perspective, in the Danish krone, it's 229 for adults and 135 for children. So that equates to about £26 for an adult and about £13 or £14 for a child. So it's not too bad. You'd easily pay that in a restaurant back in the UK, and this is a really unique experience. Behind the tables also, there's bricks, so you can build a Lego creation from red bricks too.
Is it ready?
Yeah? No, yeah. Do that.
I think our dinner might nearly be ready. We've got an animation that's up on our screen.
My dinner.
I hope it's your dinner. It might be your dinner. Let's see. So we're looking for a green box, okay?
Huh?
Oh, it's off. Uh-oh. He's forgot to put the salt in, look. Oh, so it's that much salt in it, jeez.
Ah!
No, it's making its way out.
It's my
Oh, Mummy.
dinner. It's my dinner. Oh.
Your food is ready. So as the green bento Lego box is now making their way down the conveyor belt, There's a bit of a queue. Some red boxes coming before us, but our three are on their way down now. Oh, it's going all the way along. Keep going along. Keep going along. Catch it. Good girl. Wowzers, that's ours too. So my wife is feeding our youngest, and that's why the video wasn't as slick as it could have been, but I'm going to try and carry these 3 Lego bento boxes down now that we've just had delivered. The one on top is a child's menu. Who's a child? You? So this is for you. That's alright. Whoa!
That's carrots and beetroot.
Is there anything on the shelf underneath?
I'm not like,
Oh, what have you got there?
No, pop it all together to make it.
Whoa! So the kid's surprise was this minifigure chef cooking a bit of salmon, which I guess is a unique set. 40534, which you get with your child's meal. I'm gonna try and open my box one-handed. I've got a girl making dragon noises behind me, so if you can hear that, I apologise. Here's my salmon, my flatbread, my spaghetti, and my Turkish salad. Hopefully it tastes as good as it looks. Considering it was served in a Lego bento box, it looks great. Here's my wife's, it looks equally as good. She went for the mushrooms, the meatballs, some kind of salad, and mashed potato. Right, let's tuck in. Oh, actually, it's like my little badge, content creator badge for the Lego house. Just give it a go. Let's start with the salmon. It's really good. I think they're like mustard seeds, or some kind of seeds around it, and a pastry type sauce on top. It's very tasty, and it cuts really well too.
And then
I
twirl it.
don't know. Yeah.
Hotel, let me go hotel. Hotel me up.
Spaghetti's good too. Hope you enjoy me eating it. Onto the couscous, Turkish salad. Tasty. And that's my flatbread with some kind of dip. Struggling to cut it a little bit.
Yeah.
That's really good too. So when you've finished, due to all the different levels of the bento boxes, you end up with quite a full table of plates. Here I've just noticed now our table there's a small version of, I think they're called Robert and Roberta, the 2 robots who serve your dinner. We've got the minifig chefs as well, causing havoc in the kitchen. Really was a unique experience to eat at Mini Chef. So if you're at Lego House or you decide to come to Billund for a trip to Lego, I'd highly recommend a visit. It's not too expensive for the experience you get. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.